Personal Finance Crash Course, Financial Goal Setting. Introduction. Setting financial goals is an essential step towards achieving financial success and stability. By clearly defining your objectives, you can create a roadmap that guides your financial decisions and actions. In this crash course on financial goal setting, we will explore the importance of goal setting, share inspiring stories, and provide you with the top 12 techniques to effectively set and achieve your financial goals. So let's embark on this exciting journey of turning dreams into reality. Importance of financial goal setting. Financial goal setting provides direction and purpose to your financial endeavors. It helps you prioritize your spending, savings, and investments, ensuring that your actions align with your long-term aspirations. Without clear goals, you may find yourself drifting aimlessly, unable to make progress towards your desired financial future. Setting goals empowers you to take control of your finances, make informed decisions, and stay motivated on your journey. Stories of financial success. The early investor, Sarah started investing in her early 20s, setting a goal to retire comfortably by the age of 50. Through disciplined savings and smart investment choices, she achieved financial independence and now spends her days pursuing her passions. From debt to financial freedom, John was burdened with debt and struggled to make ends meet. He set a goal to become debt-free within 5 years. With careful budgeting, additional income streams, and debt repayment strategies, he successfully eliminated his debts and transformed his financial situation. Building generational wealth. The Johnson family established a goal to build generational wealth and provide a secure future for their children. Through strategic estate planning, long-term investments, and a commitment to financial education, they have created a legacy that will benefit their family for generations to come. Top 12 Financial Goal Setting Techniques. 1. Define specific goals. Clearly articulate what you want to achieve financially, such as buying a home, saving for retirement, or starting a business. 2. Set measurable objectives. Quantify your goals in terms of a specific amount or timeline, making them easier to track and evaluate. 3. Establish realistic targets. Ensure that your goals are attainable based on your current financial situation and resources. 4. Prioritize your goals. Determine the order of importance for your goals, focusing on the ones that require immediate attention or have the greatest long-term impact. 5. Break it down. Divide larger goals into smaller milestones or targets to make them more manageable and achievable. 6. Create a timeline. Set deadlines for each goal to create a sense of urgency and maintain momentum. 7. Align your goals with values. Ensure that your financial goals align with your personal values and aspirations, bringing a sense of purpose to your endeavors. 8. Monitor your progress. Regularly review and track your progress towards your goals, making adjustments as necessary. 9. Stay motivated. Celebrate small victories along the way and remind yourself of the positive impact achieving your goals will have on your life. 10. Seek professional advice. Consider consulting with a financial advisor who can provide guidance and expertise in setting and achieving your financial goals. 11. Educate yourself. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance, investments, and wealth-building strategies to make informed decisions. 12. Adapt and evolve. Be flexible and willing to adapt your goals as circumstances change, ensuring they remain relevant and achievable. Summary. Financial goal setting is a crucial step toward securing your financial future and realizing your dreams. By following the top 12 techniques outlined above, you can establish clear goals, track your progress, and make informed decisions to achieve financial success. Remember, the journey may have its ups and downs, but staying committed, disciplined, and adaptable will pave the way for a brighter financial future. Poem. In a world of dreams and aspirations, where financial goals find their foundations, there lies a path to a brighter tomorrow. Through financial planning, free from sorrow, let us embark on this journey profound, where financial success can be found. Setting goals with purpose and clear intention. To build a life of financial ascension. Like a compass guiding our way. We set our goals, day by day. Aiming for a life of security and wealth. Ensuring our financial well-being and health. With each step, we learn and grow. Making wise choices, the seeds we sow. Saving and investing, building a nest. For the future, we know will be the best. Through discipline and mindful spending, we create a life that keeps on ascending. Budgeting and tracking every dime. Ensuring our financial goals will chime. The power of compounding, we understand. Investing wisely, hand in hand. Creating wealth that will endure. And a legacy that will ensure. With perseverance and determination strong, we push through obstacles, no matter how long. For financial freedom awaits us there. A life of abundance and without a care. So let us set our financial goals high. Reach for the stars, touch the sky. With each milestone, we will find a life of fulfillment, one of a kind. In this journey of financial goal setting, we find purpose and a life worth betting. So let us embrace this path with glee, and unlock the doors to financial harmony. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of finance, we embark. Setting goals, lighting up the dark. A song of dreams and aspirations. Building wealth, crafting our foundation. Chorus. We'll soar high, reach for the sky. Financial goals, we'll never deny. With every step, we'll make a way to a brighter future, come what may. Verse 2. Budgeting and saving, our guiding light. Every dollar counts, we hold it tight. Investing wisely, growing our wealth. Planning for a future of financial health. Chorus. We'll soar high, reach for the sky. Financial goals, we'll never deny. With every step, we'll make a way to a brighter future, come what may. Bridge. Through ups and downs, we'll stay strong. Adapting to change, where we belong. We'll navigate risks, with resilience. And seize opportunities, with brilliance. Verse 3. Earning, spending, and managing our means. Taking control, breaking through the routines. With each achievement, a victory we claim. Moving forward, building our financial game. Chorus. We'll soar high, reach for the sky. Financial goals, we'll never deny. With every step, we'll make a way to a brighter future, come what may. Outro. So let's unite on this financial quest. Together we'll strive, giving our best. With determination, we'll overcome and make our dreams of wealth come undone. Chorus. We'll soar high, reach for the sky. Financial goals, we'll never deny. With every step, we'll make a way to a brighter future, come what may. Conclusion. Financial goal setting is the compass that guides your financial journey. It empowers you to take control of your finances, prioritize your actions, and achieve long-term success. By understanding the importance of goal setting, exploring inspiring stories, and implementing the top 12 techniques, you are equipped with the knowledge and tools to transform your financial aspirations into tangible realities. So set your goals, take action, and watch your dreams unfold. Happy goal setting! Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.